eigenvalues of this matrix and corresponding eigenvector. Now let us take the given matrix as A. Let the given matrix be A, that is 3, 1, minus 1, 2, 2, minus 1, we have 2, 2, 0. Now find out the characteristic equation of matrix A. Characteristic equation is A minus lambda I, determinant must be 0. So subtract minus lambda from the principal diagonal element. This is the principal diagonal element. Subtract lambda from principal diagonal element. Here I have 3 minus lambda, 2 minus lambda, 0 minus lambda. Remaining elements will be same. Now the third row we have minus 1, minus 1, determinant equal to 0. Now we assign signs to the first row, minus, plus, minus. Now expanding along the first row, we have 3 minus lambda into, leave the first row and first column, we have this 4 elements. Now apply AD minus BC here. So we have 2 minus lambda into minus lambda. We have minus sign, then we have minus 1 into 2. Next put minus 2 into. Now leave the first row and second column. First row and second column we have this element. Right, now multiply 1 into minus lambda, put the minus sign, then we have minus 1 into 2. Next we have third element 2 into, leave the first row and the third column. So leaving first row and third column, we have this 4 elements, that is 1 into minus 1 minus of minus 1 into 2 minus lambda equal to 0. Now this will become 3 minus lambda into, here this will become minus 2 lambda plus lambda square, minus minus will become plus 2, minus 2 into minus lambda, minus minus will become plus, 1 into 2 will be 2, plus 2 into minus 1, minus minus will become plus 2 minus lambda is equals to 0. Now multiply 3 to this, here I have minus 6 lambda, 3 lambda square, 3 2s are 6. Now multiply minus lambda, this will become plus 2 lambda square minus lambda cube minus 2 lambda. Multiply minus 2, I'll get 2 plus 2 lambda minus 4. Now we have plus 2 minus 1 will be 1. So we have 2 into 1 will be 2 minus 2 lambda is equals to 0. So here I have minus lambda cube. Next we have lambda square, lambda square. This will become 5 lambda square. Now lambda terms, 6 lambda minus 2 lambda plus 2 lambda will get cancelled. We have minus 2 lambda minus 8 lambda, and we have constant 6 plus 2 will be 8 minus 4 will be plus 4 is equals to 0. Now take minus common, we have lambda cube minus 5 lambda square plus 8 lambda minus 4 is equals to 0 is a cubic equation having 3 values of lambda. Now let us take for inspection lambda equal to 2. Put lambda equal to 2 in the above equation. We have 2 cube minus 5 into 2 square plus 8 into 2 minus 4. 2 cube value is 8. 2 square is 4. 4 5s are 20 plus 8 2s are 16 minus 4. So this will become 0. So lambda equal to 2 is the root. Lambda equal to 2 is the root is the root of characteristic or cubic equation. Now other two roots can be obtained by synthetic. Now write down the coefficient of this cubic equation. Then we have 1 minus 5 8 minus 4. Put 0 here, add these two, we will have 1 into 2 will be 2, add these two, I'll get minus 3 here, 3 2s are 6, this will become 2 here, 2 2s are 4, so here I'll get 0. Now get the quadratic equation. 1 lambda square minus 3 lambda plus 2 equal to 0. Now factorize this, we have 2 lambda square, this 3 lambda can be written as 2 lambda minus lambda plus 2 equal to 0. Take lambda common, we have lambda minus 2. Take minus 1 common, we have lambda minus 2 equal to 0. So lambda minus 2 is common, we are left with lambda minus 1 equal to 0. So value of lambda will be 2, 1. Hence we got eigen values as 2, 2, 1. Here we have repeated eigenvalues 2. This is the eigenvalues. Now we want eigenvector. Before that, I'll consider one equation. Consider the system. Which system? System of equation, that is A minus lambda I matrix into capital X equal to null matrix 0. So this A minus lambda I can be obtained directly from this determinant only. From this determinant only we can get the value of A minus lambda. See here we have this A minus lambda I values. Let me copy these values. So we got this A minus lambda I into capital X will be x1, x2, x3 equal to null matrix. Let us take this as equation 1. Now we find the eigenvector corresponding eigenvector corresponding to eigenvalue lambda equal to 2, that is repeated eigenvalue. Now put this lambda equal to 2 in equation 1, then equation will now becomes, put 2 here, 2, 2, 2 here, so this will become 3 minus 2 will become 1, 2, 2, 1, 2 minus 2 will be 0, 2, we have minus 1, 0 minus 2 is minus 2 only. So x1, x2, x3 as it is. Now this system has 3 rows, R1, R2, R3. Now see, row 1 and row 3 have common elements, that is 1. See here we have, okay, we do not have common terms, right? 1, okay, yeah. R1 and R3 do not have any common elements, so we do not find any common elements here, right? Let us go for crisscross method here. I'll go with the crisscross method. So crisscross method says that write down x1, x2, x3. Now take a submatrix of this matrix here. Here the submatrix is 2, 2, 0, 2. Next, take this submatrix. We have 1, 2, 1, 0. Now apply AD minus BC here. Then I'll get x1 by 2 2s are 4 minus 0, x2 by 2 1s are 2 minus 2 equal to x3 by 1 zeros are 0 minus 1 2s are 2. So we have x1 by 4 is equals to x2 by 0 is equals to x3 by minus 2. If I cancel by 2, I'll get minus 1, 2. So I'll get x1 by 2, x2 by 0 is equals to x3 by minus 1. Let us take this as constant k. So x1 will become 2k, x2 will become 0k, and x2 will become minus k. Now eigenvector capital X will be x1, x2, x3. Right, this is the eigenvector. So put x1 value 2k, 0 minus k. If I take k common, we have 2, 0 minus 1. If I take k equal to 1, then this eigenvector capital X is 2, 0 minus 1. For lambda equal to 2, repeated root, we have only one eigen. Find the eigenvector corresponding to lambda equal to 1 here. For lambda equal to 1, equation will now become replace lambda by 1. So put in place of lambda as 1, 1, 1. So this equation will become 3 minus 1 will be 2, 2, 2. We have 1, 2 minus 1 will become 1, 2. Minus 1, minus 1, 0 minus 1 is minus 1. x1, x2, x3 equal to 0, 0, 0. Now this system of equation consists of 3 rows r1, r2, r3. All rows r1, r2, r3 are different. r1, r2 and r3 are different. So I'll go for crisscross method. So write down x1, x2, x3. Now select this matrix. Here I have 2, 2, 1, 2. Next, select one more submatrix here, that is 2, 2, 1, 1. Now apply crisscross method here to get this x1. x1 will be 2 2s are 4 minus 2. x2 will be 2 1s are 2 minus 2 2s are 4. x3 will be 2 ones are 2 minus 2. So we have x1 by 2, x2 by minus 2, x3 by 0. Now 2 ones are 2 ones are. So I'll get x1 by 1 equal to x2 by minus 1 equal to x3 by 0. Let us take this as some constant k. So x1 is 1k, x2 is minus k, x3 is 0. So the eigen vector capital X is x1, x2, x3. This will be k minus k 0. Take k common, we have 1 minus 1 0. So if k value is 1, then capital X will be 1 minus 1 0 is the eigenvector corresponding to lambda equal to 1. This is the answer for this question.